Welcome to the final episode. In this episode, we will do style design. Let's get started. The first step of style design is properly configuring the code parameters assigned to the members which will govern the member design. Open the code parameters dialog from the design menu, design, style members design, options, code parameters. Make sure the delete is highlighted, then click on the new tab to bring up the member definition dialog. Name the member type joists, then do not consider the backlink length coefficients on both major and minor axes. Do not consider flexure torsion backlink and lateral backlink, as well as deflection, then save. Now, name another member type as type beams and make other settings as shown on your screen. Click Save, then let's configure the GIDA member type. Everything will be the same as type beams, except for lateral backlink parameters. Tick the lateral backlink box, then click the upper flange tab, and then the intermediate bracings to open the internal bracing dialog box. Tick Define manually coordinates of the existing bracings and put the following numbers as shown on the screen. These are places where the joist will be connected to the girders. Click OK. Now you can see those connection points between joist and girders where joists can act as internal bracings to girders. Save it, and then let's start to configure the columns braces member type. Make other settings as shown on your screen. Then save and close. Now let's apply these labels to our members. Let's start with joists. And now type beams. And now girders. Then columns braces. Now we need to configure design groups to control the member design. Open the style design layout from the design menu, style members design options, members groups definition. On the group tab, create new group. Name the group roof joists. Then select the member list from the selection dialog box as shown on your screen. Then click the section button to open the selection of sections dialog box and start selecting a section by considering a section family's key. Now we will create other groups by following the same procedures as shown on your screen. Use the members groups table to take a look at the groups you have created by clicking Design, Still Members Design Options, Table of Members Groups. Now let's open the Calculations panel. Select the code group design, then select all 7 groups. Tick the optimization box, then click Options, then tick Wait, then click OK. On ULS, click the List button, then click the Combination tab, then select all ULS combinations only. Then click the Configurations button to open a Configurations dialog box. Set the number of calculation points to 11, then tick the characteristics points, then click the options, and then tick the following buttons as shown on your screen. Now let's start calculating. After calculations, we have this message which tells us some members didn't undergo lateral backlink verification since the bending moment is 0. Let's go to the Results tab and view results of every code group. The middle sections of every group represent the optimal sections that can be selected for all group members. The ratio should be less than 1. You can view calculation notes by clicking on any section. Now, let's change all sections to optimal sections. Then rerun the calculations again. The warnings won't affect anything. Now let's perform member verification for both ULS and SLS. Follow the case selection process as shown on your screen. Now do calculations. We have other message. Let's go to the Results tab, and as you can see, some sections fail. Select all sections and then click the Analysis button to analyze the ratios of each member. Those long bars represent joists whose span does not satisfy the minimum span requirements from the AIC code. All members with ratio greater or equal to 1 need to be designed separately. Thanks for your time. Goodbye for now.